hotter. What them a go do, you know? New link on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. New link. Hotter.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there and a New Link from New Link Production. And I mean, say attack. So right about now, my viewers and subscribers, a video was sent to my people, Zine, and it's about where a young man is speaking out people. You understand? Basically, I go through some really tough times, some hard times, people. And when I see that video, yo, it make me start think a bag of things, people. It make my mindset just gone on a different meds. But before me even say nothing more, my viewers and subscribers, let me just share this video with you right now with this young man speaking out people, because basically him reached to a stage in our life, people, or a point in our life where it's like him give up, him not care no more, you understand, because it seems like him just got through, him just have enough, people. So just watch this video, people.
Actually, morning, anybody will get that video, isn't it? Yo, I know, I'm frustrated, isn't me? I'm frustrated bad. Actually, everything when me try, just a feel, just a feel, so. I want to me, so. Come on, I know me there, I'm on the you understand how I feel. You see me? I get to one work, there's an issue. Get on different work now, there's a bomber issue again. What's up? So what kind of crime me want commit in a life so make them thing have to reach me, so come on. You see me right now in the street and most people just start rob people. God know. You see me? Yo, me have it hard in my life, you know. You see me? And me a try. You see me, like me not try, me a try. You see me? Me don't want to do the wrong thing. You see me a try to do the right thing all the while. You see me? But it's hard. You see me? You don't even understand. It's hard for me. You see me a try my best to stay up on the right path. I have to do it right. And everything I try, I feel. Everything. You see me stress out now, man. I'm tired, right? You see me? I'm tired, right? Everything I try, I feel. Yes, I know I do wrong things in my life, but come on, man. You see me? I'm tired right now. You see me? Everything I'm trying just I feel. You see me? I'm down by my face, my day. You see me? I can't run to my mother and my father and say, yo, help me. You see me? I'm tired of this now, man. And I'm there, me and people just start rob down a bag of people, youth. You see me? Some people don't even understand it. Them just see me and just see, say, oh, boy, they are bad boy and thing. You see me? They would even understand the hurt of me I go through it, that's a youth. You see me? I'm tired of this now, man, brother. I don't feel I can't bear it no more. I feel as if I'm mad, you. You see me? I feel as if I'm mad out right now. You see me? I'm tired right now, man. You see me? I'm just there, I say, yo, only even understand it, brother. You see me? I'm just really frustrated with myself. You see me? Like me, I say, yo, why? You see me? Every time I get a start, something happen. You see me? Yo, only even understand right now, you know, you. People just don't even know. Yo, hear me, I say still. You see me? Anybody get that video? Don't just pray for me. You see me? That's all me I beg you. Just pray for me, because any given moment now, you can just say, yo, one thing listen to the pan. You see me, because I'm tired. You see me, I run up and down this right. You see me, anything will happen. You see me? I know me in the street and you know, I'm not even saying. You see me? Yo, must I beg you, just pray for me. That's all I can say. You see me?
Well, my viewers and subscribers, as you can look on the video, people, and hear the pain and see tears are run through this youth, I am a people. And all I can say, Zine, anybody who know him, anybody who can help him, assist him, who they close to him, because I don't have no contact information for him. And if I do have contact information for him, I will definitely put it in the description, and anyone who want to reach out to him, and even me myself would have reached out to him, people. Zine, but when I say people, enough people may look upon it and says other things, but you see when me look upon something like this, viewers and subscribers, it make me just start think, Zine, and pray life right now, because it's rough on a lot of people out there. Zine, and it did rough before the whole pandemic started, people, and now the pandemic do in place, yo, it get tighter, it get harder, and people are suffer. And worse, if you know you're in a position where you are trying to get something, people, you are trying to achieve something, but every time you go to make a move, there is always stumbling blocks, there is always barrier, there is always things that stop you. Zine, and that is why when I hear this young man say, people, him reach to a point because him try after this with this work, him try that people, and it just not happen. Zine, it just not happen. Well, I don't know the circumstances being behind him, why, you know what I mean, him have this problem with his job, because him never like talk and speak out base and give you the full details or breakdown on it or what went down. But honestly, all I can say, people, is that not everybody what we see, not every youth we see in the street full of tattoo, bleach out, do certain things, they are to be judged. You understand, and say, yo, them no want nothing out of life, or them no want to work, people. Not every one of them, because a lot of these youth, they're not willing for work. Zine? But it's just where them not get the chance. Them just not get the chance, because a lot of people, them judge people by the way they look. And them say, you know what, me no want this boy at my place, you know. Maybe I am for the first week, but after that him say, you know what, or somebody come there and pinpoint something and say, boom. You know what I mean? So, I understand my people. And me understand how people stay in them work environment, because it's a man place and you can't tell them what to do with them place and this and that. But all me can say, this is to reach to a point where the bigger heads them have to step in. Zine? The bigger heads them have to step in and reach out to this youth and try to provide something for him. Because you can hear him give a breakdown, people. It's not like say him want to go out there, go rob or do this, people, which is a wrong road him want to choose this. Because once him go take up that and say that him want to do, people, that go nyam him supper. See? But all me can say is, any bigger heads out there who can find him, reach out to him, please do assist this young man and help him. See? Please find him, assist him and help him, because me understand the pain where I go through, me see the pain where I go through, me see the grief where I go through, and it is not a good look. It is serious, my people. When I say serious, it's not a good look. See? So, yo, all me can say, viewers and subscribers, you may not be the first, you may not be the last to come forward, you understand, and talk about something like this or speaking mind out, people. But I think he made the right choice, and I think he made the right decision. And that's why I'm always saying, the youths out there, me understand so no no want to take shame out on the face, or no want to do certain things, so no rather go behind this and go do certain wrong thing and put yourself in a problem and even cost 3 points. See? And me always say, look here, if you can look in at yourself, Zine, and hide your pride behind you, and hide this and that behind you, and just go forward, things are better for you. Things are great. About a lot of the youth, them not pray, so them are pray totally different. Them are pray, yo, madness. Them are pray badness. And when them pray that, and they reach to a level and they reach to a point, and them 3 points do get take away from them, then 3 points do get slapped away. You know what I mean? You know, so them just have to, you know, them just have to try to be on the right path. But as me say, he made the right decision to come publicly, make him video, come talk, speak your mind, youth. Help is coming your way. Zine, every getter youth I want to say, don't give up. Zine, don't give up. Me understand, say time rough, it'll get tough, things may not go the way you want it, and please don't make the wrong move there and go take up the pie something there and go put yourself and put your life in jeopardy and in problem. Just build out, wall out, go through the tough time, go through the rough time, and yo, it soon happen. Things soon be great. Remember the attacking bastard, that New Link from New Link Production. Just remember. So my people, big up on yourself, more love, more blessings and more respect. Thanks to the love, thanks to the support, thanks to the like, the share, the comment. And please remember, follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, New Link Production Official Attacking Boss, my people. And yo, thanks to everything, my people. The love, as I tell already, the support, everything I want to do for the Attacking Boss. Peace, love, respect, be good, be great, and be safe out there, my people. Enough love, fully attack, big up.